Mountain Park 5th graders. I'm just out for a walk in my neighborhood. There's a lot of birds and they're making a lot of noises and it's a little bit creeping me out, but anyway, I don't know if you can see them. There's just a ton. Anyway, I just wanted to say hey, and that I miss y'all, and I just kind of wanted to talk about the importance of getting out and getting some fresh air. I really enjoy going for walks in the neighborhood, and hopefully you have a place outside where you can play or just get outside and get some fresh air. And I thought this would be a good opportunity to review our body systems, because I can sort of think about all the body systems and connect all of those as I'm walking. So first I think about my muscular system and all my muscles, and how walking helps to get oxygen to those muscles. It helps make them stronger. It helps my skeletal system, on my bones, because we know that the bones and the muscles are attached and they work together, and so walking helps me keep those bones nice and flexible and keep my joints from getting stiff. And then here's a pond. Sometimes there's geese, but I don't think there are any right now. I thought we'd wave at the geese, but oh well. And then I think about my circulatory system. That's the biggest thing I think of. Almost I think the two body systems I think of the most when I walk are the circulatory system and the respiratory system. My circulatory system includes what body parts? See if you can name them. I'll wait. No pressure. Hey. Okay, so if I think of the circulatory system, I have my heart, I have my blood vessels, veins and arteries, and then I have my blood, of course. So when you go for a walk, it helps your heart. It's a cardio activity. Cardiac or cardio refers to your heart. So I'm getting that cardio up in my heart rate, helping it to pump blood and oxygen and nutrients throughout my body, because I know that all of the cells in my body need oxygen and they need nutrients and they need blood, and so the circulatory system pumps that throughout my body, and when I walk it helps my heart grow stronger and pump harder. And then, like I said, the other body system I think of the most when I'm walking or exercising is my respiratory system. And I'm feeling the effects of walking on my respiratory system right now. See if you can name the parts of the respiratory system. Go. No pressure. Not waiting. Nobody's waiting on you except I am. No pressure. Got it? Okay. Respiratory system. I have my nose and my mouth. When I breathe in, the air goes down my windpipe or my trachea, and then it goes through my bronchial tubes into the little bronchi, and my lungs, of course, is the biggest part of the respiratory system. And then the muscle at the bottom of the lungs that's part of the respiratory system is the diaphragm. So when you walk, of course, it makes your lungs have to work, but it's good. It's helping you breathe in oxygen or inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. And again, it's helping get fresh air into your body so that your circulatory system can help to deliver that oxygen to all of your cells. And then let's see, we have our digestive system, which includes, go. Do 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 da 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 da. Okay, digestive system, that would be your mouth and your teeth to chew up food, and your tongue and your saliva, of course. And then when you swallow, food goes down the other pipe, not the trachea, but your esophagus, goes into your stomach and your small intestine and your large intestine. And you probably remember our digestive system activity from the beginning of the year when we chopped up the apple, and it was so gross and so wonderful at the same time. So when you walk, your digestive system is helped because it helps food digest better. It helps everything work better to get that exercise. And it just helps your digestive tract work a lot better. And then I also think of the nervous system. Nervous system, remember, is your brain and your spinal cord and your nerves. And so when I'm walking, first of all, I can use my nerves to experience nature. If I wanted to touch a blade of grass, ooh la 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 la, ooh, there's a leaf, yay. If I wanted to use my nerves to experience that, I also have to use my brain and my neurons to be on alert. Of course, I don't want to get run over by a car or bitten by a dog. I want to make sure that I'm safe. I want to be aware of my surroundings, so I use my brain and my nervous system to make sure that happens. So while we're out of school for this, everything that's happening, make sure you get outside, get some fresh air, get some exercise. It's good. It helps keep you healthy. It helps your immune system. And then also, any time over the next couple of weeks when you're doing something, try to think about and review those different body systems. If you're about to touch a hot stove and you don't, and you stop yourself, you can be like, thanks, nervous system. My brain told me not to do that, and my muscles helped me react to that. If you're, exercising in your lungs, or you're just breathing really hard and you're like, oh, thanks, respiratory system. I'm so glad I have those lungs to deliver fresh oxygen to my body with the circulatory system. Anyway, I love y'all. I hope you're safe, and I will see you later. Bye.